To begin the descaling process, turn the machine on. While you're waiting for the machine to heat up, completely empty the water tank. Pour 1 dose of DeLonghi descaling fluid into the empty water tank. Then fill the tank with fresh water and allow the solution to mix. Once mixed, place the water tank back onto the machine. Place an empty container with a minimum capacity of 50 ounces under the steam wand and boiler outlet. When the green OK light is on, turn the dial to the coffee hot water position and allow the solution to flow through the machine and exit from the boiler outlet. After approximately 10 seconds, turn the steam dial to on to allow the solution to flow through the steam wand. Wait an additional 10 seconds and then turn the dial back to the off position. Let the machine rest for 15 minutes. Then continue this process periodically until the water tank is empty. You will not need to let the machine rest 15 minutes again. Once the tank is empty, you will want to ensure that the solution has been properly flushed through the machine. Fill the water tank with fresh water. Do not add descaling fluid this time. Simply empty and replace your container under the steam wand and boiler outlet. When the green OK light is on, turn the dial to the coffee hot water position and allow the water to flow through the machine and exit from the boiler outlet. After approximately 10 seconds, turn the steam dial to on to allow the water to flow through the steam wand. Wait an additional 10 seconds and then turn the dial back to the off position. For best results, cycle through 2 full water tanks of fresh water. Your machine is now ready for use. Remove the filter basket from the portafilter. Unscrew the cap found on the bottom of the filter basket by twisting to the left. To disassemble the filter basket, simply push the plastic disc through the hole found on the bottom of the filter basket. Remove the filter and plastic disc from the gasket. Clean the outside of the filter basket with a soft bristle brush. Using a needle, clean the holes of the filter. To reassemble, line up the pin on the bottom of the plastic disc with the small hole in the rubber gasket and push down until it snaps into place. Then, line up the same pin on the bottom of the plastic disc with the small hole in the filter basket and push down until it snaps into place. Screw the cap back onto the bottom of the basket to secure all the pieces. It is recommended that your filter baskets be cleaned every 200 coffees, or approximately every 3 months.
Coffee Latte, Cafe Mocha, Espresso Martini, Caramel Cappuccino. The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker lets you create delicious coffeehouse drinks in one simple touch. Be your own barista, brewing rich espressos, aromatic cappuccinos, and decadent lattes in minutes. The 15 bars of pressure and automatic milk frother ensure fabulous results. To begin, fill the water reservoir and slide it into the unit. Pour the milk of your choice in the milk reservoir. Next, place the single or double shot filter inside the portafilter, depending on the type and size of your beverage. Add the espresso grounds, tamping them down firmly, and attach the portafilter to the unit. Place your cup under the brew head and aim the frothed milk dispensing tube towards the center of your cup. If making espresso, use the height adjustment tray for smaller demi-tasse cups. Adjust the froth amount to match your choice of beverage or foam preference. And using the one-touch preset buttons, select your desired beverage and size by pushing the corresponding button. Voila! The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker does the rest. Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker, bringing the coffeehouse experience home.
Barista Express from Breville takes just seconds from grinding to extraction. For the freshest espresso and luscious crema, let's see it in action. The built-in adjustable conical burr grinder with dose control ensures that you go from novice to expert in no time. The Barista Express, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.